Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. And, you know, I'm coming on here and I do this every day, just about every single day, to be accountable for my trading so that everyone on YouTube and in our Discord is able to see my trading, for the day or what have you. And today was an up and down day. Started the day off minus $300, minus 300, and got back to green territory at plus 170. But you can see here, 14 trades, over trading. You're not going to do well like that. So my trade this morning that really caught me was this trade here. Now, I trade part-time. For those of you that may have just started following the channel or just don't know, I trade part-time. So I'm looking for some action when I'm at the screens. I'm not at the screens all day long. So right in this area, so 3 a.m., this is Eastern Standard Time. I wake up very early as I do run another business. So, trying to get in some of these trades is what I look for when I come in the morning. So without going on for too long here, this is where I got caught at this 320 to 340 area. And I'll just zoom in right here because this is the spot that I got short and ended up getting stopped out. And it was a pretty big swing, but I'm going to show you guys the reason why I got in this short was this right here. So I have a trend line on the ES. This trend line goes back. I'll show you guys here on a bigger time frame. This trend line goes way back. And these are our key levels. These are things I post every morning in our Discord, but we're coming into a trend line, okay? This trend line that's been around here, like I just showed you guys on the 180 day. So coming in this morning, well, we were coming right up to that. So let me go back to this spot. So 3:30 in the morning, we're coming into this trend line and I get short and it breaks the trend line, retests the trend line and rips up even higher. So when I'm getting in and I'm trading the Russell does not move specifically with the SPY, the ES, but in the futures market, a lot of times the charts are going to look the same. So I thought if I get a reversal here on the ES and come back down to at least test VWAP, that I could be looking at a very, very nice short here. And we started to roll over. So this is where I got really, really excited. And then it just turned on me. So that was my first trade. And that was a bad one. Now, for the whole morning, I'm not in the office. And I'm sitting here. I was okay. I've had way worse days than that. I was okay with taking the loss. But one thing I didn't want to do was try to swing for the fences and hold things for too long. So a lot of times you go down and you tend to hold things for way too long. And that's something that I've learned does not work. It's not my strategy. I'm a scalper. So if I'm going to keep trading, I need to follow my rules and scalp and not hold things too long. Take what I see, take what the market's giving me, take what the technical analysis is giving me. And that's what I did. So I put together, after that trade, a bunch of small scalps to get back really actually about $470 swing because I was down 300, now up 170 and just scalping these technicals. So There's a trend line here. You guys all know that I love these trend lines. Once they break, things tend to start to roll over a bit. And you can see right here on the Russell, that's exactly what happened. So this was one of my last trades here, was the break of this trend line. And that was one of my last trades. I had a couple more here, the bounce of the trend line. And then I had the rejection here of 1775. Where did I come up with this 1775? Well, that's also something that I show every single morning, these key levels on these indexes. So on the Russell, this was one of those key levels that for days here couldn't get over. Right back here, got over it and rejected pretty quickly. So 1775 was why I was shorting this move right here. I was not around here, although this would have been really choppy. You got the move up, and then you got a huge move down, move all the way back up, and move back down. But you can see here, this 1775 is obviously a clear level. And that's why we post this stuff every morning. So that's it. And, you know, once these things break a trend line for the entire day, they tend to start to roll over a bit. Now, this is coming right back to VWAP here at 68. We'll see what happens. But it looks like things are starting to pick up a little bit. It's 1250. One thing I never do is I never short the market at 1 o'clock. That is just a time that I will never, ever go short, even if this looks like it's about to crash into, you know, nowhere. I just won't go short at 1 o'clock. From 1 to 2 o'clock is more often than not a bullish time. For whatever reason, the algorithms are set up that way, but that's just the way it is. So we got our little sell-off here. I got green on the day. Just wanted to come in, like I said, you know, and be accountable for my actions, let you guys know what I did here, you know, being down 300 and now up 170. Hit the thumbs up for the video, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.